If you often have headaches, low energy, and insomnia, start consuming these vitamins. Today, many people experience problems like headaches, insomnia, and low energy, without knowing what actually causes these problems. Experts claim that these problems are associated with a certain vitamin deficiency, like reduced levels of vitamin K and magnesium. Magnesium is a microelement that is extremely important for our health. It is included in more than 300 chemicals reactions in our body. It creates new proteins from amino acids, converts food to energy, reduces anxiety, fatigue, and stress, and relieves headaches and a migraine. Deficiency of magnesium can lead to low levels of serotonin, which constricts the blood vessels, and impacts its function. It also causes insomnia and depression. The recommended daily intake for men aged 19 to 30 is 400 milligrams. For the older men, the recommended daily intake is 400 milligrams. Women aged 19 to 30 should take 310 milligrams of magnesium, while the older ones should take 320 milligrams. The best dietary sources of magnesium: spinach, nuts, avocado, meat, bread, whole grain, brown rice, fish. Vitamin K synthesizes proteins, prevents blood clotting, bruising and bleeding. It also protects the arteries and valves from calcification and reduces the risk of prostate cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Deficiency of vitamin K can increase your risk of fractures of bones. The recommended daily intake of vitamin K for adults is 0.001 milligrams of vitamin K for every 1 kilogram of body weight. The best sources of vitamin K: green leafy vegetables, mustard greens, beet greens, kale, turnip greens, collards, and spinach. Herbs like coriander, parsley, basil, chives, thyme, marjoram, and sage. Salad greens like celery, onions, romaine lettuce, rocket, watercress, red lettuce, spring garden cress, radicchio, and iceberg lettuce. Leeks, fennel, pickles, okra, olive oil, asparagus, soybeans, and dried fruit. Brassica vegetables, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cabbage, pak choi, cauliflower, Savoy cabbage. Hot spices like cayenne pepper, chili powder, curry, and paprika. Before you start taking any supplements, make sure to consult your doctor. Also, it is very important that your diet includes fruits and vegetables. In this way, you will maintain optimal levels of magnesium and vitamin K in your body.